Welcome to a special edition of the Deep Dive. Today we're doing something a little different. We're actually sharing something we put together specifically for you, our listeners, working in healthcare and related areas.
That's exactly right. We've been, thinking about how to foster better connection and growth in this really vital sector. So we created an event. All the details are in the info we'll talk through now.
Okay,
And our mission today really is just to give you a clear overview, help you see what it's about, and figure out if it's, well, right for you.
sounds good. So let's maybe start with the name. It's HealthcareConnect, Virtual Health Professionals Networking Event. Kind of says it all, doesn't it?
It really does. We wanted it to be clear. Healthcare Connect, it tells you immediately. Virtual Healthcare Pros Networking. Simple.
No confusion there. And who specifically is this aimed at? Who should be thinking, this is for me?
Yeah, good question. It's pretty broad within healthcare, actually. We're talking specialists, general healthcare professionals, people hiring in the industry, employers, and even service providers who work with healthcare.
It's a real mix.
Exactly. The idea is to get a good mix of perspectives in one place.
And it's virtual, you mentioned. Where does this actually happen? What's the space like?
Right. So it's all online. We're using a platform that feels a lot like, Slack or maybe Microsoft Teams, those kinds of workplace chat tools.
Okay, familiar territory then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Should be easy to navigate, accessible. You don't need to learn some complex new software just to join in and connect.
Makes sense.
Oh.
So accessibility is key. What about actually doing the networking? What features are there? How do people interact?
Okay, so there are different channels like virtual rooms. There's a general channel that's for, saying hello, announcements, just general chat.
Main hub?
Yeah, the main hub. Then a dedicated networking channel. This is where you can really showcase projects you're working on, maybe your portfolio, talk about jobs you're looking for.
Then you share things like video there?
Absolutely. You can post text, links, even share short video intros or demos. It's pretty flexible.
Okay, interesting. What other channels are there? You mentioned a few more specific ones earlier.
We did. There's an intros channel specifically for sharing a bit more about your background, maybe connecting on a more personal level. Then there's Help Wanted.
Ah, practical.
Very practical. Offer skills, ask for help, maybe find someone to collaborate with or solve a problem. Could be really useful. And finally, an industry room tech channel. That one's for discussions about, tech trends, new tools, AI, and healthcare, all that cutting edge stuff.
So lots of focused discussion areas.
Yeah.
But it's not just posting into the void, right?
Right.
Can you talk to people directly?
Oh, absolutely. That's crucial. You
Yeah.
can join group chats in any channel, but you can also do direct private messages one-on-one.
Text checks.
Text chats, and importantly, one-on-one video chats, too, so you can have those more focused face-to-face conversations if you want.
Right, building real connections. Okay, so we know what it is, how it works. Let's get to the core value. Why should you, our listener, actually spend your time at Healthcare Connect? What's in it for you?
Good question. I mean, the main thing is building those peer connections, right? Finding people in your niche. You might discover new roles, learn about innovations, maybe find collaborators. If you're thinking about a career move, it's a great place to explore virtual job opportunities, get a feel for different companies, and generally just engage with the health tech community, find some support, maybe brainstorm solutions together.
So those aha moments, maybe.
Yeah.
Quick insights.
Exactly. We want it to be efficient but impactful. Imagine finding just the right contact to help with the challenge you're facing, all in a couple of hours.
Sounds pretty compelling.
Yeah.
Okay, logistics. Is this just for people in one region, or is it global?
It's global. Definitely global. We want people joining from everywhere. Your location doesn't matter.
Great. And the timing?
It's a 2-hour event. Runs from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., and that's local time for you.
4 to 6 p.m. local time. That makes it easy. And where do people actually go? What's the link?
Right. The main link for the event platform itself. Well, you don't need to write it down now. Just check the description below this deep dive. The direct link is right there.
Okay, link in the description. Easy enough. What if people want a bit more detail before they commit or, have questions?
Yep, covered that too. At that same link in the description, you'll find a more detailed event description laying everything out.
Okay.
And we also made a short explainer video. It walks you through the platform, what to expect. The link for that is also in the description, just below the main event link.
Video walkthrough. Nice. And if they still have questions after all that?
There's a support contact link. If you have specific questions, suggestions, whatever, use that link. Again, it's in the description.
Excellent. So all the info, video, support link, everything's bundled neatly in the description. So what's the final word? The call to action here.
Really, it's simple. Just take a look, click the link in the description, read the details, watch the short video, see if Healthcare Connect feels like a good fit for what you're looking to achieve professionally right now.
Yep.
We genuinely think it's a valuable way to connect, learn, and maybe find some new opportunities in this space.
Absolutely. We design Healthcare Connect to be a really productive couple of hours for healthcare professionals like you. It's about building those connections, getting fresh perspectives, moving things forward. We really did build it with you in mind.
hmm And maybe just leave you with this thought. How could spending just 2 hours directly engaging with peers, potential collaborators, maybe future employers,
Okay.
how could that actually accelerate your understanding of where healthcare is heading?
Something to think about.
Definitely. And remember, all the details, all those important links we mentioned, they're right there waiting for you in the description below.